Welcome to the best picks. The best genealogy charts are probably one of the most helpful tools for organizing your family history research, allowing you to visually represent your ancestors and their relationships across generations, making the complex process of tracing your lineage much easier and more efficient. Whether you're a seasoned genealogist or just starting your family history journey, having a well-structured chart is essential for keeping track of your findings and avoiding confusion. Number 5. EasyGenie Family Group Sheets. These large print family tree charts make recording your family history easier than ever. With 30 sheets, you'll have plenty of space to document multiple generations. Each sheet is double-sided, providing ample space to list one couple, their parents, and up to 17 children with their spouses. That's a lot of family history. It's made of acid-free paper, ensuring it won't yellow or crumble over time. Your family's legacy will be preserved for generations to come. The sheets are a convenient 8.5 by 11 inches and are 3-hole punched for easy storage in a binder. Keep your family history organized and accessible. These genealogy charts are proudly made in the USA with high-quality materials. You can trust in their durability and longevity. The large print makes it easy to fill out, even for those with less than perfect vision. Start preserving your family's story today. What we like? It boasts 30 large print, 2-sided sheets. These are perfect if you have a large family history to document. If you need a comprehensive and easy-to-read record of your ancestry, this is the best choice for you. Number 4. EasyGenie Family Group Sheets. These large print sheets make organizing your family history easier than ever. They're perfect for recording multiple generations and preserving your family's legacy. Each sheet has 2 sides, giving you plenty of space to record details about one couple, their parents, and up to 17 children and their spouses. It's a comprehensive way to document your family tree. The large print ensures easy readability, making it comfortable for everyone to use and contribute to your family history project. No more squinting. These sheets are made from archival quality, acid-free paper. This means they won't yellow or crumble over time, preserving your family history for generations to come. With dimensions of 8.5 by 11 inches, they are the perfect size for easy storage in a binder or file cabinet. They're easy to handle and organize. Looking for a thoughtful gift for a genealogist? These sheets are a fantastic choice, especially since they are made in the USA. Give the gift of family history preservation. What we like? This option offers 7 large print sheets, ideal if you're just starting your family tree. If you are looking for a smaller, more manageable set to begin your genealogical journey, this is perfect for you. It's also a great gift. Number 3. Historic Families Tree Chart. It's time to showcase your family's rich history. This beautiful chart makes it easy to see your family tree for generations to come. You get 2 of these stunning charts. Perfect for sharing with family members or displaying in different locations. This updated design lets you trace your family tree back 7 generations. Plenty of space to record names and dates. It's made from heavyweight parchstone, ensuring it's durable and looks great in any room. The design complements any decor. Convenient 17 by 22 inch size makes it easy to frame and display. Get yours today and start preserving your family legacy. This isn't just a chart, it's a beautiful way to remember and celebrate your family history. Order yours now and start filling it in. What we like? This set includes 2 beautiful posters showcasing 7 generations of your family history. If you prefer a visually appealing and ready-to-display family tree, this is the one for you. It's a great way to present your family history in a decorative manner. Number 2. Large Print Genealogy Kit. This kit makes tracing your family history easier than ever. It includes everything you need to get started, all in large, easy-to-read print. These aren't your average genealogy charts. They're designed with larger text for better readability, making the process more comfortable for your eyes. The kit contains 10 pedigree charts, 10 fan charts, and 10 family group sheets, giving you plenty of space to record your family information. Each sheet is a convenient 8.5 by 11 inches and 3-hole punched, making it easy to store and organize your family history in a binder. It's printed on acid-free paper, ensuring it will preserve your family's legacy for years to come. This genealogy kit is made with high-quality materials and manufactured right here in the USA. You can trust in its quality and durability. What we like. This kit is a unique collection of 30 large print charts, including pedigree, fan, and family group sheets. If you need a complete set of various chart types for a well-rounded genealogical study, this kit is for you. It offers versatility for all your family history needs. What people say. Nice 6 generational charts. Other charts and family group sheets should be nice also. Should make my genealogy research look professional. I really like the variety of information and the different formats. For instance, when gathering data and displaying for family gatherings, the family group sheets work very well. Information can be in large enough print for several to view at the same time. Again, the viewer who wants to see several generations quickly can look at same information on a fan chart or a pedigree chart. The paper is sturdy enough to be displayed nicely. These papers should be very helpful to my genealogy project. I'm doing a good bit online, but I work well with working on paper, old school style. It will be good to have both options, plus the handwritten document will be nice for a legacy. Plenty of pages for multiple family lines. Good quality paper. Number 1. Okuna Outpost Family Tree Chart. It's time to preserve your family's legacy. These charts make creating a beautiful and informative family tree easy and fun. Perfect for genealogy research, home decor, or school projects. They are adaptable to any occasion. They're crafted on premium paper, ensuring your family history is recorded clearly and lasts. Each one measures 17 by 22 inches, giving you plenty of space. This set includes 15 charts in 3 unique designs, offering variety and visual appeal. It's a thoughtful gift for family gatherings. Easily display it as a family tree poster or add it to a scrapbook. It's both visually appealing and practical. Start recording your family history with these easy-to-use and beautiful charts. Preserve your family's story for generations to come. What we like. This set contains 15 large charts with unique designs, suitable for both recording family history and home decoration. If you are looking for a visually appealing and functional way to display your family tree, this is the perfect choice. It's also great for school projects. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.